Alright, what up guys? Today, this is gonna be more unusual style video for me. So I'm currently in college and I'm trying to become an electrical engineer because I have background as an electrician and this will be an upgrade, next level, And the problem is I have no engineering experience. So we're, just for entertainment value, we're gonna review this starter kit that I'm gonna need for our engineering class. Oh, what else was I gonna say? Yeah, what is the electrician point of view? What engineering kit? The nice part is that I don't have to guess what these things are called. They put all the names there. Nice. And I'm gonna give like my honest review, and I guess it'll be funny. It's not a serious review. This is just me trying to be funny. So let's look at here. So we have numbers. So there's a 4-digit and a 1-digit according to the pieces. This is, oh, that's the remote. I'm tripping. This is the number display thing. It's that. You have a remote. I'll enter 3, 9, 5, and then if you play FNAF 3, you know the rest of the numbers. Okay, I'll put it nicely. Thankfully, I only have to bring this to school once a week. And then we have a wires, very low voltage kind of wires, you can tell. These are very small. The aluminum, they're not even copper, which is unusual for an electrician. I don't really. And then, oh yeah, another thing I'd like to notice, this is some DC shit. I am an electrician that works with AC units, not DC. See, I work with this, not this. I don't mess with circuitry or nothing, which is why I'm probably gonna have a little bit of a rough time, but I can adjust. There's a jumper cables apparently here too. I don't know, I guess you can. My theory is that, okay, my camera skills need some help. So there's the wire, there's the jumper cable. I'm guessing you can junction the wires with this based on the little holes here. That's just my guess. And then apparently this is a motor. Very small motor indeed. It's a step motor. It's wow, 5 volts DC. It's very small motor. You can tell 5 volts. It's barely anything. These weird looking metal things, these are apparently resistors. And somehow, some way, they give the thing resistance. Some ohms or whatever you call it. And then these are some little ass Christmas LED lights. Their version is like LED lights and a bunch of other things. Capacitors and transistors. Things I never really needed to touch before. And then the biggest mystery, apparently there's a button. I don't know where the hell that is. Unless you're telling me this is supposed to be a button. But it's a joystick, clearly. This is not a button. This is a sensor right here. It's, let's read it. HC, I don't know what that's supposed to stand for. It's like little prong down here. Oh, there's a back. Oh, you do things on the back. So there's ground. There's a ground for some reason. I'm not sure why you need to ground something that's so low in voltage. Low voltage things don't really need to be grounded. You do that on higher voltage things. It's the whole point of grounding. Fun fact is, like, I don't know how to word it properly because I'm not an electrical engineer yet. But that's kind of the difference between an electrician and electrical engineer. Electrical engineer have like more knowledge, more in-depth understanding of what they're doing. A lot of electricians can do more of like the labor side of the electrical. Like the engineers come up with the plans and ideas, but they don't really have the skills to, like, do them. So that's what the electricians are for. We have this thing. What the fuck is this thing called? Read. Oh, it's like with the battery. A snap-on connector clip. It's a 9-volt battery. Nothing special. It's a square battery. And then this one's interesting. Apparently this is a relay. I'm not sure why there's a relay here. Because the whole point of relay is like protection for like the breakers or something like that. And I don't see any breakers or anything close to that. On here, if you read it, it says 10 amps. What in here is possibly fucking 10 amps in this box that you need to put this there? I'm gonna ask a serious question. What in the is in here that's 10 amps? When we're working with shit that's like 5 volts, 10 volts, maybe 20 volts at most. I have an AC adapter. They're right here. It's nothing special. It's an AC adapter. It's 100. Interestingly enough, it says 240 volts. Which is surprising because, well, it's only like 2 prongs. I don't think I'll be plugging this in my little dryer receptacle or whatever I have. That's 240 volts. I'm not sure if it'll even work. I think I'll fuck up the entire thing if I try to do it. And it outputs 9 volts in the DC side of things. So it's like you input an AC and then like you output like 9 volts DC. At least I think that's what it's trying to tell me. I have this thing, a power supply module. There's a USB. There's a whatever that circle plug is called. I'm not a computer kind of guy. There's a ground. It's backwards. No text. There's contacts. It's low voltage. It's 6 to 9 volts. Then we have this thing at the bottom. What could this be? This, hold on, what is this? I'm going to look for that. Is this a module of some kind? If so, which one? That one, I'll figure it out in more classes. We have this motherboard right here. It's in the bag. I haven't opened it yet, mainly because you might be wondering by now after 8 minutes, why have I not started the project yet? And yep, here's where I'm gonna rant again. You see, this is a MacBook. Look at this shit. There's no fucking USB. The USB is right here. And for some reason, Alago didn't consider the fact that, you know, maybe the students only have a fucking MacBook. So they provide me a USB. So you know what I have to fucking do? I have to go to the store, buy a USB to USB-C just to start. Isn't that wonderful? Didn't have the generosity to at least give us that cable. What a piece of shit. What a piece of shit. We have the breadboard. So this is what I need to use for the lights. Positive and negative. Apparently, the longer ends of these lights, apparently there's like 2 different sized ones. The longer one's positive, the shorter one's negative. And I just get 2 wires. There's a black and a red. The black will be my positive right here. And then the red one, what happened to the loose red one I had? There it is. This will be my negative. Because that's what I was taught. You have this thing. What could this possibly be? I gotta read it. the fuck is it? Is it the RTC? No, it's not that. There's 4 holes in the corner. Is this the joystick module? I think it is. It might be the joystick module. Hold up. I'm hooking something up here. Oh yeah, it is. I'm just I think this is a joystick module. I'm not gonna put it in for now since I don't want to break it. You know, this thing, I don't know what this is. What could this possibly be? Oh, there's so many of these things. And then, oh yeah, there's a little fan blade here. I guess somehow with the app and the software. Oh yeah, these things, these are like motherboards. As I forget, meaning, you can't just wire the things and connect it to your computer. It's not enough. No. You gotta do some coding. You gotta input commands here for them in order to work. The nice part is that the commands are actually pretty simple. I don't have the top of my head because I'm not really a thing. Also, that's kind of also damn, only Europeans and Asians buy these things. Damn, I must be the first Indian to buy it. Anyway, that is the starter kit, the Elegoo Mega 2560. Oh, I got a lot to learn, but yeah, I'm gonna do it. Shouldn't be too bad. I pick things up pretty quickly.